After you log into Nearpod, you're going to want to create a lesson. Click Create, and you'll see options for lesson, video, activity, or Google Slides. I'm going to choose Lesson and show you how to insert a basic slide. By clicking on the plus sign, you have the option to add content or activities. There's a bunch of different options for content, which is awesome. You will never get bored with this. At the top, you'll see activities as well, which we'll cover later on in the module. So for content, we're going to start with basic slides. You have two options. You can click Slides here, which is the classic slide, or you can click the first slides. There's really not much difference, so you can't go wrong. On the right-hand side, you can click the different color schemes. I like this little notebook theme. I think it's really cute. So I'm going to add my title here where it says Add Title, and then of course your content will go in the paragraph section. You can also add shapes, images, you can change the background. I happen to really like this background, but if you wanted to change the color or upload an image from your files, you can do that, or even search Google here. You can add your videos of yourself or of something that is in Creative Commons on YouTube, your voice, and even a GIF. Some people say GIF, tomato, tomato, but we're going to find something to add here just so that you see how it works. This cute little guinea pig here I'll add because that'll grab student attention. So you can make the image bigger or smaller, and that's just something fun to add. So there's a lot of different options that you can add here. Once you're done, you can hit save or you can add a new slide. I'm going to hit save just to show you what it looks like, and then you can go back later and play with the different options. So you would continue to do that until you build a lesson with all the slides that you're happy with. I'm going to go back and add one more slide to show you something that's really neat. I'm going to click on the plus button again. And if you notice in the first time we open the content, you actually have the ability to add a sway, maybe a sway that you used in the first module. I think this is a really great option to really work with the two different technologies and bring it together in two different lessons with your students so they really build on the content that they learned in the last class. So you can create a new sway, but I'm going to use a sway that I already created. Why add extra work for ourselves? So if I click on My Sways, and remember I already signed on with Office 365, so it's going to have a list of all my Microsoft sways. I'm going to choose the first one, Presenting a Solution to an Environmental Conflict. This is a lesson that I did with high school students. I'm going to add the sway, and that whole lesson is right inside of our Nearpod lesson. I think that's pretty amazing. I mean, it's really fun to find things that collaborate and work together. So that's a great way to do that. Then you're going to go ahead and save and exit, or you can preview the slides that you created.